What should you pack if you're traveling to Ghana? Here are some essentials that you could use, or you could help augment whatever list that you have, whatever packing list you have. Here are some of the items that we brought, and they are very helpful in multitudes of different situations. So we are going to go through a few of them. I will leave the link of some of the items below. We have a Kavu rope sling bag. If you're hiking, even if you're just walking through the streets, it's good as well. We have some fanny packs. Osprey makes some good fanny packs across the waist if you're shopping or you're just walking through the city. Great bags. Lululemon makes some great crossbody bags. These are very good if you're going through the markets, Makola Market or any of those markets. We have our Cabo neck pillows. These are very good. I put one in the bag and put one out. Even if you have bad pillows at the hotel, great. Passport important, and the yellow fever vaccination card that's sticking out the passport. Your Anchor power bank for power if you're hiking or whatnot. Your Anchor Nano travel banks, they have type Gs and type Ds. So you'll be able to get that international plug if you're coming from the United States. Some headphones, AirPod Pros. Those are wonderful headphones for your phone. And then also just your simple wired headphones for your plane. We also have our hydro flask. Need to make sure you have some bottled water in that hydro flask. I put some Tide Pods as well. We had a laundry machine, so just bringing some laundry detergent. Earplugs, Eargasm earplugs, great. If you can't get sleep or you're going to a loud place or a concert or whatnot, great. Sunglasses, gets hot. Sunscreen, wonderful. You're at Labadi Beach, you need some sunscreen. It works perfectly. Ponchos, rainy season, extremely important. These are also important. You need wipes. You need wipes because you may be traveling long distances. Toilets may not be accessible. You might be hiking or whatnot. Wipes are good. And also some goggles. Goggles, good. Swimming at the beach, Labadi Beach, or any of the other beaches. Goggles are good for swimming, but you do need wipes. Yeah, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of outdoorsy activities. If you're going to just stay within the city, maybe those are less important. But if you're going to be traveling to Elmina Castle or hours away, you may need some. Hand wipes, hand sanitizer, especially if you're hiking. Even if you're not hiking, you're not supposed to be drinking the water or doing anything with the water, putting the water near your hands that goes to your mouth. You don't want to get sick. So wipes are important if you're eating. Some gum. We have some cough drops as well. And we have some mosquito repellent. You can get the mosquito repellent with Picaridin or DEET, and then also malaria medication. So you want to have your malaria medication. Start taking that a couple days before. So we have Picaridin, and you can get the DEET ones as well. So you want to make sure that you have these. Imodium. Imodium is the last stage. So if you have serious problems, Imodium, you probably won't be having a bowel movement for days. You have Tylenol, Advil. You want to use Imodium as a last resort. Use Pepto-Bismol before Imodium. Tylenol, always good. Advil, always good. Dramamine, especially if you have motion sickness. Get the non-drowsy if you don't want to be knocked out for the day. If you do want to be knocked out on the plane or whatnot, just get the regular ones or get a combination of both. We also have Band-Aids. More cough drops. Neosporin. Hydrocortisone, just in case. And Pepto-Bismol chews. They travel much better than the liquid. You don't want to wash out that liquid container. I'll put the links in the description below. Have a good trip.